Dear students, today in this lecture we will learn about Gauss-Hansen shift. Actually, in total internal reflection, there a shift occurred when a light wave propagate through the waveguide. This total internal in this total internal reflection, when wave incident at the surface of the material, it penetrate this material to a depth. This is called penetration depth. Due to this penetration depth, a phase shift occurred in total internal reflection. Theoretically, in total internal reflection, the angle of incident and angle of reflection both are same. But here there is a difference occurred due to the penetration, and this phase shift is called Gauss-Hansen shift. This is the name of a scientist who discovered this phenomena and provide the formula of the shift. So the phase change in occurred with the total internal reflection of light beam on a planar dielectric interface may be understood from physical observation, careful examination, so that the reflected beam is shifted literally from the trajectory predicated by simple ray theory analysis as illustrated in figure 1. You can see in this figure 1. The lateral displacement is known as Gauss-Hansen shift after its first observation. The geometry reflection appeared to take place at a virtual reflecting plane which is parallel to the dielectric interface in the lower index medium as indicated in figure. Utilizing wave theory, it is possible to determine the lateral shift, although it is very small, approx 0.06 to 0.10 micrometer. For a silver glass interface at a wavelength of 0.55 micrometer and difficult to observe. However, this concept provides an important insight into the guidance mechanism of dielectric optical waveguide. So you can see from this figure, this is the incident wave, right? It penetrates the this material to this the penetration depth. So actually in theoretical, this is the incident wave and this is the reflected wave. Like we assume that the penetration depth is 0, but in this case the wave actually अगर हम थॉर्टिकल देखें तो वेव को यहाँ से रिफ्लेक्ट होना चाहिए, बट वेव कहाँ से रिफ्लेक्ट हो रही है, इस जगह से रिफ्लेक्ट हो रही है. So this distance is provide the phase shift. It is called lateral shift. Okay, understood? Okay, thank you.